everyone, welcome to my channel the HowStation. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all how I made this charms necklace that I'm wearing. It's very easy to make, requires just a few things. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. To make the necklace, take a chain and wrap it around your neck like a choker and separate it from the excess. So here is the piece of chain which fits around my neck like a choker, and then I am going to take another piece of chain and I am going to keep this about an inch longer than the first one and then separate it from the remaining. So here are the two chains, one which fits around my neck like a choker and the other one which is about an inch longer than the first one. So I'll keep the first chain aside for the time being and I'll fold the second one into an exact half. Once that is done, I'm going to take my charms. So I'm using this butterfly and leaf shaped charms, and I am going to take these jump rings, and with the help of the jump rings I am going to attach the charms onto the chain. So I'm placing the jump rings and the charms besides the chain where I want to attach them. So I'm going to keep a butterfly in the center, then at a distance of about 2 to 3 centimeters I am going to add 2 leaves on either sides of the butterfly, and then again at a distance of 2 to 3 inches I am going to add 2 butterflies on either sides. Once I'm done attaching the charms to the chain, here is what it will look like. Now I'll take my first chain and I'll attach the first and the second chain together with jump rings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add jump rings on either ends of the chains to get them together. Now my necklace is almost coming together. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to add one more jump ring on one jump ring of one side, and on the other jump ring on the other side I am going to add another jump ring and this hook, because that's how our necklace is going to stay on our neck. So I'm going to pass this jump ring through the hook, and then I'm going to pass this through the jump ring on the other side and then tighten it with a plier. And that is pretty much it. Once that is done, here is my necklace ready. So guys, that was how I made the charms necklace. It's very easy to make. You can change the charms according to your liking, and in my next video I'll be showing you how I made these charms earrings, which are like very matching with the necklace. So yeah, please do watch my next video as well, and if you've liked this video then please do hit the like button down there and tell me in the comments down below on how you thought the video was. If there are any other how-tos or DIYs or any suggestion, feedbacks, any video requests that you'd like to make, you can do that as well in the comments down below, and share the video with your friends and family. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe by clicking on the circle over here that has got my face in it. You can watch my previous 2 videos over here, and that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one with these earrings. So yeah, I'll see you there. Until then, have a good day, take care, and goodbye.